We are a company dedicated to the manufacture and assembly of metal structures. Constructora ROVASA was founded in 1987 during a draft of CFE Guadalupe Victoria in Villa Juárez, in the city of Lerdo, Durango. ICA Fluor Company played an important role in this project, which hires Constructora ROVASA to provide manufacturing services embedded, manhole covers, and some civil work repairs. Subsequently, a new project of CFE in Piedras Negras, Coahuila begins, where also, through ICA Fluor, Constructora ROVASA is invited to participate in the project Carbon 2 by making boots for control valves. That's how the company gradually developed projects in which Mr. Victor Peralta Vázquez and Romualdo Peralta Vázquez, creators and founders of the company, who having close associates, began at force march the evolution of the company, resulting in the recognition at national level in order to be a leading and competitive company in the international market for its quality work. Our job: Document Control Department. The delivery process of control copy and information control from the Document Control Department is an essential part of manufacturing process of our products. Design drawings are received by the customer and delivered to ROVASA Engineering Department. The acknowledgement of receipt to the person designated by each department for information is made, which upon receipt sign acknowledgement of receipt. This is entered into the logbook of document control, electronic folder for projects, reports, master drawings, and the electronic platform client request or work claim. Engineering. This is the department focused on the design and detailed engineering for the development of manufacturing drawings and assembly of metal structures. We begin with the receipt of manufacturing drawings and documents endorsed by our client, sealed with control copy by the Document Control Department. Once the requirements are obtained by the customer, through its basic engineering, project planning is carried out to determine their tentative finishing date. The engineering manager of ROVASA, once the project is planned, gives it to a modeler to initiate the development of a structural model, considering specifications, standards, and materials requested by the client. After being checked and reviewed, we proceed to the development of manufacturing drawings, which must comply with the information necessary to obtain a correct manufacturing workshop elements. Manufacturing drawings made by the draftsman have to be approved and reviewed by the engineering manager, subsequently delivered to the Document Control Department, which is responsible for documenting and deliver them to the Production Department. Production Department. During the manufacture of steel structures, the Production Department receives the approved manufacturing drawings at the Document Control Department. The Chief of Workshop have to designate the manufacturing drawings to train personnel for manufacturing. Also, the manufacturing drawings, manufacturing personnel, as well as the Chiefs of Workshop will be verified by the area of quality control. Verification is performed before, during, and after the manufacturing process, from receipt of raw material, checking the quality certificates, certificates of compliance, data sheet, etc., up to the check-in for product development, which will take place in the assembly, identification, traceability, and product release to move to following process. Sandblast. The sandblast activity meets quality requirements according to applicable standards and specifications according to customer projects. The main objective of the activity is to fulfill a surface profile through abrasive pressure application to facilitate the addition of the paint, which will delay the process of oxidation of the piece. Before the start of the activities, environmental conditions have to be checked. They must be favorable for the beginning of the activity, saying that will be registered in concern annex. Also, within quality inspections, verification of measuring instruments and testing to verify that they are properly calibrated are made. Application process of protective coatings. Initially, the environmental conditions are verified, making a record of such conditions, which must be optimal to start with the application of protective coatings at different levels: primary, link, and finish. Likewise, cross-inspection is performed with the production staff, freeing the individual steps of the activity to have a dry check thickness parameter to the point of addition test according to method ASTM D3359, instruments and measurement equipment properly calibrated and current. During the process, records are deriving as evidence of an inspected process, becoming clear the certification of our protective coatings applicators, as well as our quality inspectors, attached to ISO 9001 standard. Shipping logistics. According to the procedure, the main objective is the arrangement or stow of our product sent to the site will be the place of installation, always taking care that there is no physical damage of the product. To do this, the implements are checked before loading and lifting equipment, from cranes to slings, shackles, bonds, etc., confirming that they are in perfect condition so they can leave to their final destination. The quality dossier. It starts with the packing list and uprising in the workshop of the designated parts for both stroke and coating and welding is done. The production department delivers a list of the parts manufactured to the quality supervisor for his approval. For the welding mapping, quality supervisor observes the welder and does its mapping in the sketch or drawing, writing down the number of union, thickness of welding, and welder key. The assistant is in charge of assembling the quality dossier in accordance with its procedures and digitizing data provided by the quality supervisor, steel and painting. The dossier is composed of manufacturing drawings, certificates of materials, report of manufacturing, visual inspection of weld, non-destructive testing, preparation and implementation of anti-corrosion coatings. So, the quality of our products for the customer is guaranteed. Assembly. Currently, we are working on major projects to the excellent quality of our products. A clear example is the assembly being done in the city of Tula, Hidalgo, as part of the work to ICA Fluor. During assembly, parts according to a method of installing the metal structure are raised. Then it is released by the Department of Topography to begin the process of torque or welding. Subsequently, the Department of Quality Control is invited for its release. Finally, it is carried out the process of retouching and application of anti-corrosive coating, which will be released by the customer. It is worth mentioning that there is an attachment or format in all processes to release each of the processes up to a format of certification steel structure. In Constructora ROVASA, we are at the forefront. We have a system of quality management which is responsible for document, implement, and continuously improve, always working overall with all the departments in our company. Also, our system is based on processes which determine the criteria and methods necessary for the operation and control of these processes to be effective, ensuring the availability of resources and information. The quality management system helps to direct and control our organization with regard to quality, track, measure when is applicable, and analyze these processes. We are committed to provide the resources necessary to help to meet contractual requirements and satisfy the needs of our customers by delivering quality products. Also, we are committed to establish, maintain, and continually improve our system of quality management. All personnel directly involved with the quality of our services know and supports this policy. More than 20 years manufacturing metallic structures support us.